Hello and welcome back to the channel. Slightly different video today because I wanted to share with you just some of the outtakes of when things don't quite go to plan, which I really wouldn't include as much of in the main video. And unfortunately for this project, there was plenty I could share. Although in my defence this was only the second time I'd actually used the router, I was just trying to discover how it worked just by trying to use it and get familiar with the tool. However, what I probably should have done was read the instructions more thoroughly and look at a couple of tutorials on YouTube. Well, that's not exactly ideal, is it? So if you want to find out if I was actually able to fix my failings and improve upon the lack of talent which I'd showed to this point, then tune in to my next video and you'll see if I was able to complete this project as I'd intended.